Hello friends, today we'll explore 12 amazing benefits of this versatile oil before bed: arthritis relief, gentle laxative properties, antibacterial action, hair and skin care wonders, and its role in soothing menstrual cramps. But first, let's know what exactly castor oil is. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, has been used for centuries. For its medicinal properties rich in nutrients and fatty acids, castor oil offers a wide range of health benefits. Castor oil is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin E, minerals and omega-6 fatty acids, making it a powerhouse for overall wellness. But who can use castor oil well? Most anyone can benefit from its natural healing properties. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, alleviate pain or promote hair growth, castor oil may be just what you need. And also at the end of this video we'll discuss the top 3 ways to consume castor oil for maximum benefits, so be sure to stick around till the end to learn how to get the best results from this amazing natural remedy. Let's get started with benefit number 1. Arthritis. Arthritis, a condition characterized by inflammation of the joints, can cause significant discomfort and limit mobility. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory property can be particularly beneficial for arthritis sufferers. Scientifically, the main component of castor oil, rinic acid, has been shown to reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of inflammatory compounds in the body. When applied topically to the affected joints, castor oil penetrates deep into the tissues, providing relief from pain and swelling. Additionally, massaging with castor oil can improve circulation aeration around the joints, promoting better nutrient and oxygen delivery to the affected areas, which aids in reducing stiffness and enhancing flexibility. Regular use of castor oil as a natural remedy for arthritis can complement conventional treatments and offer holistic relief from symptoms. Benefit number 2 is laxative power. When it comes to keeping our digestive system healthy, a well-functioning colon is essential. Castor oil acts as a gentle yet effective laxative, helping to cleanse the colon and relieve constipation. The mechanism behind its laxative effect lies in its high concentration of rolic acid, which stimulates contractions in the intestines, promoting bowel movements. Unlike harsh chemical laxatives that can cause dependency and irritation, castor oil works naturally with the body's own processes. It softens stool and encourages regularity without disrupting the delicate balance of gut flora. By promoting bowel movements, castor oil helps to remove waste and toxins from the body, supporting overall digestive health and preventing discomfort associated with constipation. Benefit number 3 is antibacterial properties. Castor oil boasts potent antibacterial properties, making it a valuable asset in wound care and infection prevention. These properties stem from its unique composition, which includes compounds that can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria when applied topically to cuts, scrapes or minor wounds. Castor oil forms a protective barrier against bacteria, reducing the risk of infection. Additionally, its antimicrobial action helps to cleanse the affected area and promote faster healing. Research suggests that castor oil may be particularly effective against certain strains of bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. By harnessing the power of castor oil's antibacterial properties, individuals can enhance their first aid practices and support the body's natural healing processes. Benefit number 4, hair and skincare. Castor oil serves as a versatile elixir for promoting both hair and skin health. When applied to the scalp, it penetrates deeply, nourishing the hair follicles and encouraging healthy hair growth. Its properties help to moisturize the scalp, preventing dryness and fleckiness. Regular use of castor oil can also improve the overall condition of the hair, making it shinier, stronger, and more manageable. Additionally, castor oil is beneficial for the skin, acting as a natural moisturizer that helps to hydrate and soften dry, rough skin. It forms a protective barrier that locks in moisture, leaving the skin smooth and supple. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated skin and alleviate conditions like acne or dermatitis. Whether applied to the hair or skin, castor oil is a gentle yet effective remedy that can enhance your beauty routine and promote a radiant, healthy appearance. Benefit number 5, labor induction. In certain cultures and traditional practices, castor oil has been used to help induce labor in pregnant individuals nearing their due date. The mechanism behind this lies in its ability to stimulate contractions in the uterus. When ingested, castor oil triggers the release of prostaglandins, hormone-like compounds that can promote uterine contractions. This can help to kickstart labor for individuals who are overdue or seeking to naturally induce labor. However, it's essential to note that while some studies suggest a potential benefit, the use of castor oil for labor induction should only be undertaken Under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Benefit number 6, relieve menstrual cramps. For individuals experiencing menstrual cramps, castor oil can offer relief through its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When massaged onto the abdomen, castor oil penetrates the skin and muscles, helping to relax uterine contractions and alleviate pain. Also, it can help reduce inflammation in the pelvic area, easing discomfort. Associated with menstrual cramps, castor oil's ability to improve blood flow and circulation can also contribute to relieving cramps by promoting relaxation and reducing tension in the muscles. Benefit number 7, to improve immunity function. Castor oil's potential to boost immunity stems from its antimicrobial properties, which can help fend off harmful bacteria and viruses by applying castor oil topically or incorporating it into massage routines. Individuals may stimulate the lymphatic system, a crucial component of the body's immune response. This stimulation can help enhance the movement of lymph fluid, which carries immune cells throughout the body, thereby supporting overall immune function. Also, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may further contribute to a strengthened immune system. Benefit number 8, reduce swelling and inflammation. Castor oil can effectively reduce swelling and inflammation. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, when applied topically, the oil penetrates the skin and reaches deep into tissues, where it can help to inhibit the production of inflammatory compounds. This action helps to soothe irritated tissues and alleviate swelling. Furthermore, castor oil's ability to improve circulation can further aid in reducing inflammation by promoting the removal of excess fluids and toxins from the affected area. Its gentle yet potent effects make it a natural and versatile remedy for various inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis, sprains and strains. Regular application of castor oil can provide relief from discomfort and promote faster healing of inflamed tissues. Benefit number 9, heal wounds and abrasions. Castor oil's ability to heal wounds and abrasions is attributed to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically, the oil forms a protective barrier over the wound, shielding it from harmful bacteria and reducing the risk of infection. Also, castor oil helps to soothe inflammation and promote tissue regeneration, which accelerates the healing process. Its moisturizing properties keep the wound area hydrated, preventing dryness and promoting the formation of new skin cells. The oil's high concentration of fatty acids also aids in repairing damaged skin and minimizing scarring. Whether used on minor cuts, scrapes, or burns, castor oil offers a natural and effective solution for promoting wound healing and preventing complications. Benefit number 10, boosts circulation. Castor oil can boost circulation by enhancing blood flow throughout the body. When applied topically and massaged into the skin, the oil stimulates the lymphatic system and dilates blood vessels, allowing for improved circulation of blood and lymph fluid. This increased circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells more efficiently, while aiding in the removal of metabolic waste and toxins. The gentle massaging action also helps to reduce the pooling of blood in areas of stagnation, which can alleviate swelling and promote overall cardiovascular health. Benefit number 11, castor oil for treating acne. Castor oil can effectively treat acne due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically to the skin, the oil helps to combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation associated with breakouts. Additionally, castor oil's moisturizing properties can help balance oil production in the skin, preventing excess sebum buildup that can lead to clogged pores and acne. To apply, gently massage a small amount of castor oil onto clean, dry skin, focusing on areas prone to acne. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then rinse off with warm water. Regular use of castor oil as part of a skincare routine can help reduce the frequency and severity of acne breakouts, leaving the skin clearer and healthier. Benefit number 12, deep facial cleanser. Castor oil serves as an excellent deep facial cleanser due to its ability to dissolve impurities and unclogged pores. When applied to the skin, castor oil binds to dirt, makeup and excess oil, allowing them to be easily rinsed away. Its amount properties also help to hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. To use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser, start by dampening your face with warm water to open up the pores, then gently massage a small amount of castor oil onto your skin using circular motions. Pay special attention To areas prone to congestion such as the nose and chin, after massaging for a few minutes, rinse your face thoroughly with warm water and pat dry for best results. Follow up with a gentle facial cleanser to remove any remaining oil residue. How we use castor with maximum benefits. Now we learned about 12 benefits of castor oil, but now we will know how to use castor oil and get maximum benefits from it. We can benefit from it in 3 main ways, as we'll see next. Method number 1 is to intake it orally. Method number 2 is that we use it through massage. Method number 3 is that we use it by mixing it with some third oil. Let us know in details. Method number 1 is using castor oil. Oil is through oral consumption to take castor oil orally. It's essential to choose a high-quality food-grade oil for best results. Mix a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, with warm water to dilute its thick consistency and make it easier to swallow. It's important to note that castor oil has a distinct taste and texture, so mixing it with a flavor drink or juice may help mask its flavor. The best timing for oral intake of castor oil is typically in the morning on an empty stomach, as this allows the oil to be absorbed more effectively by the body. When taken orally, castor oil can act as a laxative, promoting bowel movements and relieving constipation. Additionally, it may offer other health benefits such as supporting digestion and detoxification. Method number 2 is using castor oil is through massage. To perform a castor oil massage, frail massage, start by applying a small amount of oil to the desired area, such as the face for skincare, acne-prone areas, or areas experiencing pain or inflammation. Use gentle circular motions to massage the oil into the skin, ensuring even distribution. For facial massage, focus on areas with acne or dryness, gently massaging the oil into the skin to help unclog pores and hydrate the skin. For pain relief, target the affected area with deeper massage strokes to help reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. The best timing for castor oil massage may vary depending on individual preferences and needs. For skincare purposes, consider performing the massage before bedtime to allow the oil to penetrate the skin overnight. For maximum benefits, for pain relief, massage the affected area as needed throughout the day or before bedtime to help alleviate discomfort and promote relaxation. Regular castor oil massages can help improve skin health, reduce acne breakouts, and provide relief from pain and inflammation. Method number 3 is mixing castor oil with other carrier oils can enhance its benefits and versatility. One of the best oils to mix with castor oil is coconut oil, known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. To create a mixture, simply combine equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil in a clean container and mix well. This blend can be used for various purposes such as skincare, hair care, and massage. For skincare, apply the mixture to the face or body to moisturize dry skin, treat acne, and promote overall skin health. For hair care, massage the mixture into the scalp and hair to nourish hair follicles, strengthen hair strands, and promote healthy hair growth. Additionally, the mixture can be used for massage to relieve muscle tension, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. This blend is particularly beneficial for individuals with dry skin, acne-prone skin, or those seeking natural remedies for hair and scalp health. Regular use of the castor oil and coconut oil mixture can help improve the condition of the skin and hair, providing nourishment and hydration while supporting overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on natural remedies and wellness. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, your health is in your hands. See you next time.